Woke up at 7 a.m, felt sluggish, spent the day watching films, stalling, no scripts written, business is stuck, I'm in a loop. If that's you right now, listen closely. I'm an honest mechanical engineer. I went from university suspension to Dean's List, from unfit to a 195 kilogram deadlift. But my degree didn't stop the overthinking. The data from McKinsey is clear. Waiting for 100% certainty is a failure point. In engineering, we call it a static system. Think of a heavy couch. The hardest part isn't carrying it, it's getting it to move. Today, we fix your brain glitch. No fluff, no waiting. Step 1 starts right now. Step 1, the 70% ship threshold. In engineering, if you wait for 100% certainty, you're already late. Think of your brain like a smartphone. 50 apps open all at once. The phone gets hot. It starts to lag. We call this thermal throttling. Your brain isn't broken. It's just protecting you from melting. When you aim for 100%, you freeze. A study by Fry and Debat found a scary truth. Perfectionism predicts earlier mortality. It's not just killing your work, it's killing you. The practical rule is the 70% ship threshold. If it is 70% ready, it's done. The last 30% is just polish. Nobody notices it, but it's what makes your brain overheat. So tonight's task is to pick one thing you've been polishing, an email, a post, a workout, a plan, and just ship it tonight at 70%. No more waiting. Just do it now. Step 2, decision rules versus emotional loops. In my journal, I wrote about feeling guilty. Guilty is an emotional loop, like a dog chasing its tail. Lots of energy, zero distance. Engineers don't use feelings to run machines. They use decision rules. If X happens, then do Y. Is it 5 a.m? I'm at my desk. 5 p.m, I'm with my family. Simple. Deciding when to work is a waste of energy. You're burning fuel while the car is in park. The data says removing choices reduces decision fatigue by 40%. That's why you see me wearing the same t-shirts every time. That's why I eat the same lunch every time, to remove the decision fatigue. The practical rule is the binary filter. Stop asking, do I feel like it? Start asking, is the rule active? So tonight's task is to set one decision rule for tomorrow. For example, at 6 p.m, my phone goes in the drawer. No thinking, just the rule, and I get to work. Or at 7 p.m, I put on my running shoes and I go for a walk, or I go for a run. Step 3, the bumper's tolerance. In manufacturing, parts aren't perfect. They have tolerances. A bolt might be a tiny bit off, the machine still runs. You're trying to live without bumpers. You miss one day at the gym and you quit the whole game. My journal proves it. I lost 2 years of growth because I wanted a perfect streak. The maths says it. Consistency beats intensity every single time. The practical rule is the 10% margin of error. Build a system that lets you fail 10% of the time. Think of the bowling alley. If you hit 6 out of 7 days, you still win. Don't restart the clock. So tonight's task, check your habit tracker. Missed a day? That's your 10% margin. Start again tomorrow. Don't stress yourself out. Step 4, the battery management. I work 7 to 3 retail. I wake up at 5 a.m. and by 4 p.m. my battery is at 10%. Most people do the hard work when the battery is lowest. You wouldn't charge a Tesla with a AA battery, would you? You only have a few hours of full charge energy. I used to waste mine on emails. Now, I use it for the heavy lifting. The practical rule is the load shedding. Find your high power task. Do it in the first 2 hours of your day. Save the low power stuff for when you're tired. So tonight's task, pick your high power task for tomorrow. Set the tools out tonight. Set your running shoes out tonight. Set the book on your pillow tonight so you can read it before going to bed. Engineers don't build a bridge on the first try. They build a small, ugly model. They prototype, they test. And if it breaks, they learn from it, they move forward. You're stuck in the retail box because you're afraid of ugly, of making a mistake, of being a beginner. I made 8 videos in a row. They weren't honest degree quality, they weren't professional, but they were my prototypes. They gave me data. The practical rule is the ugly launch. Your first 100 tries are just for data. If you aren't embarrassed by version 1, you waited too long. So tonight's task is to record a 60-second video of yourself. Don't post it. Just look at your prototype. So, the system recap. Ship at 70%. Stop the overheating. Use decision rules. Kill the feelings. The 10% margin. Use the bumpers. The battery management. Hard stuff first. And the ugly prototype. Get the data. Look, I'm not here to tell you you're great. I'm here to tell you you're optimized. The 70-30 rule is your safety rail. I'm planning to escape the retail box because I stopped being perfect and I'm starting to be more logical. I built System Starter Kit, which includes temples for the rules we've discussed, the 70-30% checklist. It's your next logical step. Get it, it's completely free in the description below. It helped me, I hope it will help you. Stop waiting for the right time. The math says the right time was 2 years ago. The second best time is right now. So ship it. Let's get to work.